Okay, welcome to Search Visual Tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to make reflective floor in Photoshop. As you can see, I've done everything I need to do on this my picture. Now to make a reflective floor, you come to the layer where you have your main footage. You come to the layer, you right click and select convert to smart object. Allow it to load. Then on the same layer again, you right click again, you click on edit content. It then creates another layer separate. This is the former layer. This is the one we are working on currently now. Then you go to your image, you come to image rotation, you click flip canvas vertical, then you save. Make sure you allow it to save. Just give it time for it to save. Then you close the new layer. You see it on the previous layer where your main content is. Then you do Control T to drag it down to the bottom of your layer. Control T like this, align it like this. Then you right click on it again, then click on wrap so that it will help you to be able to adjust it to get where you want. Then for you to adjust, click on shift your keyboard, then you drag. To make sure you've gotten accurate to what you want. Drag. Then you hit OK. Okay, now on the same layer, go to filter, blur, go to Gaussian blur. Reduce the radius to whatever suits you. For me, I think 7 is fine for me. Click OK. Then you go to your filter again, blur again, motion blur. Then adjust the radius, the angle, distance to any angle that suits you. For me, 7 is okay still. Then hit OK. Then you go to opacity here over here and drop it a little. That's too much. That's too much. That's too much. Okay. For me, 60 will do. 60 will do for me. Yeah. Then you group all your layers. If you have not, so you group all your layers. Then you create another layer. Control Shift Alt E on your keyboard to create another layer. Create another layer. Then you go to your mixer brush tool. Select mixer brush. This is size to wherever you want. Then you brush on the layer I brought down for it to look. Make it for it to be realistic. Yep. And voila, That's how to make your reflective floor.